they'll maybe like bite it once more, depending on the fish. Oh, there we go, baby. Dude, is this the hook? I done fucking impaled myself with this hook. I done impaled myself with this hook, y'all. It's a fish. It's a bluegill right here. I've seen his tail. Oh yeah, right here. No, what is this hook made out of? What is this? What am I? Oh for fucking 10 today? Y'all seen him hit that shit right there. He demolished it. I wouldn't even be mad if I lose one and I catch a monster. Come on. School of bluegills right here, little blitzers. Let him drop. Come on. Oh. He was about to go to the space program. Oh, that's a snakehead. Oh yeah. Finally. I've been hunting one of these things for so long. God damn. That's fucking amazing. Look at that. Boy. 21 minutes in, baby. Caught a nice little snakehead. Look at that thing, baby. You like a good little, I don't know, he's 8.5.